y'all, we had a plan. Plan was pack up the RV, shoot it towards Walt Disney World, and stay at Fort Wilderness. Guess what? That plan ain't happening. $6,000 for a fuel pump has stopped us, and that takes a big bite out of our Disney vacation. Couldn't do it. What now? Cancel Disney? Grandkids would be very upset. Oh, hey, by the way, my name's Papa, and we're taking you along on this adventure, kicking it Van Voast style. Yep, that's right, $6,000. That's to take care of the fuel pump, get it replaced and fixed, and get everything buttoned up. And we had to go to Plan B, and Plan B had to come real quick. What is Plan B? Well, we're now staying, instead of at Fort Wilderness, we're staying at the Windsor Hills Resort in Kissimmee. That's about 3 miles away from Disney World. Thing is, Plan B isn't working out like we thought it might, because even doing that, we still have to pay for parking, we're driving, a lot of other extras. But here's what we did. We called our Disney travel agent and to see what we could do, since we were on a plan with our tickets combined with Fort Wilderness. It actually works out that we were only going to get back about $250 if we'd have broken that ticket plan all up. Just wasn't worth it. Plus you're paying $35 to park at the parks, so a day, and you do the math on that and figure it out. We were better off keeping our Fort Wilderness reservation and with our ticket package, and then not staying at Fort Wilderness, but keeping that spot, which we can do. That eliminates having to pay to park in the park. So what we'll do is we'll drive to Fort Wilderness every day, park at our premium campsite with our minivan, and take the boat over to Walt Disney World, and then we can catch the bus to any of the other parks. That's our plan. That's Plan B. But Windsor Hills, I got to tell you, even though we were excited about taking the RV, this would have been the second time staying at Fort Wilderness. We did it with Caitlin when Caitlin was 1, and we had a great time. And I was really looking forward to doing that again, but we just could not get that $6,000 to fix the RV, which it'll have to be fixed. We just couldn't do that and make it work within our budget. We're still going to have a good time. We have not canceled Disney. We're still going. We leave in 3 weeks. We're just taking a smaller vehicle and not the RV. Not for $6,000. Just cuts in way too much. Another thing that we did do is, instead of taking the pickup truck and loading 5 people and the dogs and luggage and everything else, we rented a minivan. So we're going to load up that and take the minivan and drive it. Doesn't put any mileage on the truck or on our personal vehicles, so we're gonna try that. Anyway, back to Windsor Hills, guys. It's a 3-bedroom condo, 2-bath, full kitchen, and we just felt like, you know what, this might be the better thing. Even though we were looking forward to camping, this might be the better thing. And I'm going to leave the link to Windsor Hills. I would sit and say that, hey, it's a great place to stay. I don't know. We haven't stayed there yet, but we're looking forward to doing that. Yeah, just going over that we're not taking the RV. I just sprung that on them.
I took the kids to school.
Took the kids to school. $6,000 just wasn't something that we could take out of our Disney budget.
No.
It was either that or we canceled Disney. And we certainly weren't going to cancel Disney.
Absolutely not.
So Anyway, Megan's still packing. She's got another video coming up. If you haven't watched the video that she just did, excuse me, I almost tripped on a stick. If you haven't watched the video that she just did on packing, it's something kind of new for us because we never really had to pack going to Disney World. We took it all in our house. It was always in a drawer, just like it would be in your home. So we had to buy luggage and do all kinds of other things. But she's got a really cool video on packing, on some different things she's taken to Disney, things that are going to keep the kids entertained. You'll want to watch that. She's also got a couple of more videos coming up, like stroller essentials and stuff I don't really care about. I'm not bringing a stroller. Anyway, you'll want to watch those things too. Guys, I got a whole lot of stuff coming up for y'all. If you haven't subscribed, do so now. Do us a favor, ring the bell. That way you know about the next video that we've got coming up. Check out our barbecue recipes, everything else that's going on with the site. We love hearing your comments. Go ahead and leave us some comments down below. Hey, if you've ever had this type of experience, leave that type of comment too and tell me, how did you resolve it? What was your plan B? Is it the same as ours or is it completely different? Thanks for watching. Stay with us. We've got more coming up. Kicking it Van Voast style and smoking with Papa Barbecue.